On a time, by a sparkling blue river, lived a bright blue bird, Kiko the Kingfisher. Every morning, Kiko would swoop down to catch his breakfast, shiny, slippery fish. But one little fish named Finny was very clever. She watched Kiko every day and thought, I need a plan to stay safe. The next morning, when Kiko dived into the water, Finny quickly blew a bunch of bubbles. The bubbles made the water shimmer so brightly that Kiko couldn't see clearly. He missed Finny and splashed into the river with a splash. Kiko shook his feathers and laughed. "You're a smart little fish, Finny. I'll find my breakfast somewhere else today." And from that day on, Kiko and Finny became friends. Kiko caught only the big, lazy fish, and Finny taught the little ones how to blow bubbles for safety. Moral: smart thinking can keep you safe, even from the fastest hunter.